Today I'm going to show you how to create and manage calendar subscriptions in Google Calendar, step by step, so you can quickly add shared calendars, online calendars, and imported calendar files without getting lost in the settings. This is really useful if you want to stay organized, keep track of team schedules, follow public calendars, or bring important events into one place. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar on your computer and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Once you're on the main calendar page, look over to the left sidebar. This is where Google Calendar keeps your calendar lists, and you'll see a section called Other Calendars. That's the area we're going to use to add and manage subscriptions. Next, click the plus icon next to Other Calendars. This opens a menu with a few different ways to add a calendar, depending on what you want to do. If you want to subscribe to someone else's calendar, choose Subscribe to Calendar. Then enter their email address. This is the option you would use if someone has shared a calendar directly with you and you want it to appear inside your Google Calendar view. After entering the email address, follow any prompts that appear, and the calendar will be added to your list if access is allowed. Now, if you want to subscribe to an online calendar, such as a public holiday calendar, sports schedule, or project calendar that uses a web link, click from URL instead. Here, paste the calendar's iCal or ICS URL into the field. Make sure the link is valid and complete, because Google Calendar needs the full calendar feed address to connect properly. Once you paste the URL, confirm the addition, and the calendar should begin syncing automatically. Another way to add a calendar is from a file. This is useful if you've exported a calendar from another app or received a calendar file from a colleague. To do this, go to Settings, then choose Import and Export. Under that section, click Import, then select the .ises or .csv file from your computer. Choose the calendar you want to import events into, then complete the import process. This is a great way to move events into Google Calendar or combine information from another source. Once a calendar has been added, you can manage it very easily. Find the subscribed calendar again under Other Calendars in the left sidebar. Next to the calendar name, click the three dots menu. This gives you access to the management options for that subscription. Select Settings and Sharing if you want to change the calendar's name, color, notifications, or other available settings. This is helpful if you want to make the calendar easier to recognize or adjust how alerts appear. If the calendar is too distracting and you just want to temporarily stop seeing it, you can hide it instead of removing it. To do that, click the calendar's name or the color checkbox in the left sidebar. Hiding a calendar keeps the subscription active, but it removes it from view so your screen stays cleaner. If you no longer need the subscription at all, you can remove it completely. Open Settings and Sharing for that calendar, then look for Remove Calendar and choose Unsubscribe. That will stop the calendar from appearing in your account. So in just a few minutes, you can subscribe to shared calendars, add online calendar feeds, import calendar files, customize your subscriptions, hide what you don't need, and remove calendars when you're done. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple Google Calendar tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.